Have you ever wondered why you find yourself endlessly scrolling through social media feeds and spending hours lost in the depths of online content? What if I told you that it's not as simple as it seems? Welcome to a fascinating journey into the dark underbelly of technology, where we are going to uncover the manipulative design of apps and websites, how technology is designed to keep us addicted. In this gripping exploration, we'll dive into the complex world of apps and website design, where every element, every notification, and every interaction is carefully crafted to keep us hooked. It's a tale of deliberate manipulation that exploits our psychological vulnerabilities and hooks us into a cycle of constant engagement. But how exactly do these digital platforms manage to grasp our attention so tightly? The answer lies in the art of persuasive design and behavioral psychology, where user experiences are carefully designed to tap into our deepest desires, fears, and insecurities. Moreover, algorithms play a significant role in this web of addiction. They collect vast amounts of data about our preferences, behaviors, and interests, tailoring our online experiences to keep us engaged and glued to our screens. The consequences of this manipulative design extend beyond mere addiction. Studies have shown links between excessive screen time, mental health issues, and decreased productivity. It raises a profound question about the ethical responsibilities of technology companies and the impact of our ever-connected lives on our well-being. But by understanding the mechanisms of manipulative design, we can reclaim control over our digital lives. Awareness, self-regulation, and conscious usage are key to breaking free from the clutches of addiction and forging a healthier relationship with technology. Let's dive into it. In the digital age, we find ourselves engaged in a world where apps and websites have become an integral part of our daily lives. Little do we realize that beyond the seemingly harmless interfaces lie sophisticated strategies intended to keep us addicted. Let's uncover the shocking truth by exploring the latest facts and figures surrounding the manipulative design of apps and websites. The attention economy. In the pursuit of our attention, tech companies have transformed into attention merchants. They profit by capturing our focus and keeping us engaged. According to recent studies, the average smartphone user touches their device over 2,600 times per day, and young adults spend an average of 5.7 hours on their smartphones daily. These staggering statistics reflect the intense competition for our attention and the pervasive influence of addictive design. Persuasive design techniques. Apps and website designers employ a range of persuasive techniques to keep us hooked. One such technique is the infinite scroll, where content refreshes automatically, creating an endless stream of information. This tactic exploits our innate desire for novelty and leaves us yearning for more. Social validation and dopamine. Apps and websites capitalize on our need for social validation, leveraging the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. Features like likes, comments, and followers provide instant gratification and create a sense of social acceptance. Research shows that these positive reinforcement trigger addictive behaviors, leading to excessive usage and an obsession with seeking validation. Algorithm personalization. Algorithms play a vital role in shaping our digital experiences. They gather vast amounts of data about our preferences, behaviors, and online activities to deliver personalized content. This personalization creates a filter bubble wherein we are fed information and content that aligns with our existing beliefs, limiting exposure to diverse perspectives. The resulting echo chambers can reinforce biases and contribute to the polarization of society. Impact on mental health. The excessive use of apps and websites designed to keep us addicted has raised concerns about its impact on social health. Studies have shown correlations between excessive screen time and increased rates of anxiety, depression, and feelings of loneliness. The constant comparison to idealized representations on social media can lead to decreased self-esteem and body image issues. Ethical considerations. The manipulative design of apps and websites raises ethical questions regarding the responsibility of tech companies. Are they ethically obligated to prioritize user well-being over maximizing engagement and profits? Calls for increased transparency over empowerment and ethical design principles have grown louder in recent years, urging the industry to address these concerns. It's crucial to acknowledge that not all technology is inherently harmful. However, understanding the manipulative technologies employed and potential consequences is essential in safeguarding our well-being and regaining control over our digital lives. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, subscribe the channel and share with others. Also, if you have any thoughts or comments, do mention in the comment box.